Hey everybody, my name's Richard from Zappos.com, and this here's the Go Run 600 Control from SKECHERS. Whether you were headed to the gym or just walking around, these guys have got you covered because, like all SKECHERS, they are designed with your comfort in mind. You got that really breathable mesh throughout the upper here. Keep everything cool, keep everything breathing, feeling great, with that awesome kind of 3D print design for their logo on the sides there. Pretty cool. You got that Goga Run technology here for that midsole. That is so soft and squishy. It's gonna keep your feet feeling amazing. And then on top of that, or rather beneath that, you got that midsole, which is also really comfortable, super thick, super shock absorbing, all that good stuff, while still maintaining a really flexible design. And you got your outsole down here, reinforced with rubber in the front and back to keep you steady. Go ahead and get some control for your next run with the Control Go Run 600 from SKECHERS.